Welcome to Monax, your trusted partner for high-quality industrial solutions. Today we present you a screw compressor station 3-in-1 with power 22 kW. The 3-in-1 compressor provides compressed air for various tools and equipment. It's an ideal solution for laser cutting machines. Equipped with all necessary protection systems and controller displaying all operation parameters. 500-liter receiver ensures sufficient air supply, perfect for laser cutting operations. Refrigerator dryer removes moisture from compressed air, preventing rust and corrosion, thus extending compressor life. Air pressure 15 bar, one of the best among screw compressor. Productivity is 2.15 cubic meter liters per minute. Dear customer, thank you for your attention. If you have some question or need more information about our compressor, you can contact our manager. See you next time.